So, banter muna tayo.
Malalim muna.
Eto na, let's go! The first question, 20 seconds na ha? Okay, compare a trans woman to a watch. As in relo. Compare a trans woman to a watch.
A trans woman is similar to a watch because we value our time depending on who we talk to. Our time as humans are limited here on Earth and is something that you can't take back. So make sure that make every minute count.
Thank you so much, Patty. Pick a number. Pick a number.
Very elegant.
4. What is your message to?
What is your message to this image? What is your message? Timer starts now.
My message to this image, as you can see, this is a hormone replacement therapy, particularly a contraceptive. So for any one of you who's thinking of transitioning, I suggest that you visit an endocrinologist first so that your transition is safe and healthy.
Thank you so much, Patty. Last question. Final question. As a fairy of blank, how will you improve the world?
As a fairy of wealth.
Wealth. As a fairy of wealth, how will you improve the world?
As a fairy of wealth, I would seriously share my blessings because I believe in giving back. You know, for the past years, I owe a lot of good things to different people who supported me and have good sincerity and genuine intentions for me because they believe in my dreams.
Thank you so much.
Ultimately, they believe in me. So thank you very much.
Okay, they're just keying their stores. Ready na daw, ready na.
The
Ready
judges,
na? Alright.
the judges are more fresh.
Hindi kayo makahinga. Ano po yun? Hindi ko makita. Andali lang daw, andali lang daw. Wait lang daw.
Yeah, I love it.
I really cannot see.
This is actually the goal of TUNDO Fairy Queen.
The lights are blinding. Your question, first question ay Matt.
Compose yourself na. Alam ko naman carry mo. Your first word. Compare a trans woman to a doctor. Again, compare a trans woman to a doctor. Your timer starts now. Good luck.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as we all know, doctor actually aims to heal someone who's being sick. Just like we trans woman, we came here to this world, we exist in order for us to heal the negativities around us, the negativities in this world. We are a doctor of the world. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Casey. You're
Pick a number for a picture.
correct. What is your message to
Number 14.
picture number 14? Oh. I think that is the very famous Dr. Tep. Tama ba? Dr. Tep, tama? That's Dr. Tep. What is your message to Dr. Tep?
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Tep is a surgeon. So it means it tells something about changing something in our body. Our body is just a shell. So if you would like to change something from your body, so be it. Do it. If that will make you happy, don't be afraid to change. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Casey. Your final question from Mommy J.
Pick a word.
As a fairy of blank, how will you improve the world?
Success.
As a fairy of success, how will you improve the world?
Okay, be the change you would, or be the change that you would like to be in this world. In order for you to be able to improve the world, be successful. Work for yourself and also work for others. Once everyone is successful, one thing is for sure: world successful. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Fairy Casey Paculan. Shaylee, your first question.
Shaylee.
Compare a trans woman to a blank.
20
Compare a
seconds.
trans woman to a blank.
20 seconds reminder na ha? Okay. Compare a trans woman to a movie.
A trans woman is like a movie. We do transitions. And every transition of life of a trans woman is like a movie. So that we'd have to go through with every circumstances that life has to offer with us. We'd have to taste of it and live with it and go on. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Next question from Patrick.
Picture number 9.
What is your message to? Ooh. What is your message to Celeste Cortesi?
My only message to Celeste Cortez is, of course, be with yourself, be authentic, because that's what you are dealing and you are going through in the universe. And being authenticity will make you through the universe. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Next up and final question from Mommy J. As a fairy of blank, how will you improve the world?
Health.
Help.
Health is wealth, of course, because without health, we wouldn't be successful in life. So we'd have to go through with everything that we do, with the transitioning and by ourselves. We'd have to make sure that we are healthy enough. Because if you're not healthy, then you will never be successful, you will never live life to the fullest, and you will never be who you are and what you are because you matter. Thank you and good evening.
Compare a trans woman to a teacher. Compare a trans woman to a teacher. Your timer starts now.
Para sa akin, hindi ko lahat kami mga transgender, hindi namin makukumpara ang teacher. Dahil ang teacher ay nagtuturo sa amin kung paano maging isang mabuting tao at may isang mabuting mamamayan. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat sa Marian. Pakipili na lang yung numero mula kay Patrick. Ano ang mensahe mo sa iyong napiling numero? Number 1, ano ang mensahe mo sa ating picture number 1? Fetus. Your message to a fetus, please.
Sa panahon ngayon, marami nagpapadeports ngayon. Unang-una, dapat nating mahalin kung ano ang binuo natin. Dapat tayo maging magkaisa upang mapaiwas ang pag-abortion. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much. Kaya mo yan sa Marian. Hinga. Question number 3.
Because honestly, it's my first time to join a
Palakpakan niyo naman, totoo yan. First time sa
I
Marian.
try my best. Hindi ko
Okay lang yan. Support kami lahat, di ba?
And we love the beautiful face of
Sobrang
yours.
ganda. Oh.
Grabe.
Last question.
Honesty.
Honest.
Bilang diwata ng honesty, ano daw ang iyong pwedeng baguhin sa mundo?
Bilang honesty ngayon, lahat ng mga tao dito ay minsan talaga hindi maging makatotoo sa sarili. At dapat tayo'y maging makatotoo sa sarili upang maging mabuti ang ating mundo. And that's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sa
Lovely.
Marian. Judges.
Na perfect na dahil humiwalay ako. Okay. The first question. Let's go. 20 seconds na ha. Compare a trans woman to a flower. Again, compare a trans woman to a flower. Your timer starts now.
Kumpara ko po ang aming sariling mga transgender sa isang flower sapagkat ito ay nagbibigay saya sa ating mga tao. Kaya mga kaibigan, kami mga transgender, tanggapin niyo po kami kasi kami parang isang flower lang nagbibigay saya sa inyo. Darating ang panahon, hindi man ngayon, hindi bukas, darating ang araw na matatanggapin niyo din kami at ayun ang aming panghahawakan. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much.
Pick a word, pick a picture.
Take a
Number.
picture. Yuni, ano ang mensahe mo sa iyong picture? And I think that is number...
Number 7.
Yumi? Oh! Ano ang masasabi mo sa Mig? Oh?
Isang palain gabi po sa inyong lahat. Siguro ito ang pagkakataon para ma-experience ko ang isang bagay na naranasan ko. Bata pa lang po ako, nagnaisa po ako makita ang ganda ng ibang bansa, kaya ako ay nagtrabaho sa ibang bansa. Ngunit sa aking pagkakataon ngayon, ako po ay nakapilok. Nakulong po ako sa bansang Malaysia na isang 100 days at tuwing Lunes po ako kinakalpo at tuwing Biyernes po ako na sinasaktan. Kaya ganun pa man mga kaibigan, hindi ko pinatinag ang pagmamahal sa aking puso. Dahil mga kaibigan, naniniwala ako.
Thank you so much, Yumi. Grabe, nagiging emotional. Palakpakan nyo naman si Yumi. Hindi na natin kailangan i-detalye, pero alam natin ang pinagdaanan ng bata. Ba't ako naiiyak? Kasi
Diba?
nakita ko yan ang liit-liit sa nabotas,
Yeah.
di
Ako
ba?
din. Baby pa
Di ba? Nakatulala yan sa mga
Yeah.
Ayun.
As a theory of inspiration, how will you improve the world? Inspiration.
Sa Pero Inspiration po, nagbibigay po akong inspirasyon sa lahat ng kabaklaan o sa lahat ng taong nasa paligid ko. Sapagkat ako bilang isang peri, mapagmahal ako sa mga taong nakapaligid ko at sa mga pamilya ko at higit sa lahat ng mga kaibigan ko. Dahil naniniwala po ako na ang kapag tayo napagmahal sa isa't isa, kahit anong mangyari din sa mundong ito, lahat tayo magtatagumpay, lahat tayo magmamahalan. Na
Maraming salamat!
Question, good luck. Compare a trans woman to a... What's this, Kuya? Politician. Compare a trans woman to a politician. Your 20 seconds starts now.
Politicians are for the people. A trans woman always has its purpose. We are to make a difference. We are a beacon of light. for everybody, regardless of discrimination and exclusion. We are pushing through to make a difference and change. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Take a
Next
picture.
up, take a picture. Yeah. What is your message to
Number 8.
number 8? 150. 150.
Okay, that's a form of stereotype to trans women or to LGBTQ community. We are for love. Our sexual preference is natural and innate. You don't need to put a label or amount to it. So this is a message to every people to omit that particular stereotyping because you are not giving a good image to humanity. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Please speak your final word from Mommy J. As a fairy of black, how will you improve the world, Mommy J?
As a fairy of imagination, how will you improve the world?
Our world has been enveloped with negativities. It's not really wrong to have imagination. Imagination is the stepping stone for you to unleash your potentials to be successful. If you imagine your potential to be unleashed, and you will catapult success in every dream that you have. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Judges, key in your scores, Fairy Tamira 28. Thank you so much. Next up, Fairy Jason.